In this video we are going to understand how to make a walking animation for a sprite on the game stage, just like walking in a park or running in through the desert, or running through the forest, something like that. So what we are doing is we are taking a sprite as unicorn. I'm taking the first one, and here, like the third one, you can take any one actually, and take an appropriate backdrop. Let's say I'm taking this jungle, and just like the unicorn is moving through the jungle, you can make it appear walking also, you can make it appear running also. It depends upon the speed, the time duration that you are using to move from one location to another location. You use a smaller time frame, it appears running. You use a longer time slot, so it appears walking slowly. So before we begin, we have to give a starting position to this sprite. So what we are doing is we are saying that when you are going to click on the green flag, so it should go to its starting position, and after that it should move, let's say 10 steps. You can increase or decrease the number of steps also, like move 5 steps or move 20 steps, to vary the speed, to move slow or faster. Likewise, so here you can see when I'm clicking on the green flag, it is going to the starting position every time, and after that it is supposed to move. So let's say it should move 10 steps, and once I click on this, so this is how it appears, that it goes to the starting position and it moves 10 steps like this. And after this, it is supposed to change the costume as well. So you can see, this is how the costumes are changing, and this part has to be in like a repeated sense. So you can copy paste this by making a duplicate. You can put it in a repeat block, or you can put it in a forever block as well. So I'm taking this repeat block here. Let's say repeat it a number of times. You can give any number of times, 10 times, 20 times, like that. So here you can see, when I'm clicking on the green flag, so it is going to the starting position and moving and changing the costume as well. Now to make it more animated, more little realistic, and we are adding this wait instruction also, so that it should go a little slower, so that we can watch it like it's actually running through the game stage through the forest. So this is it, and we are going to save the work. This is walking animation, and we are through.